Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at the Opinel Black Palm Handle number 8, a luxurious limited edition knife. My wife visited France recently and bought me this knife as a gift from a specialty knife shop. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. It will really help the channel out. Thanks. Opinel has made their wooden handled knives since 1890. The company sells approximately 15 million knives annually. Opinel knives are made of both high carbon and stainless steel. The Opinel knives come in a wide variety of sizes and handle materials. So let's see what's so special about this knife. Comes in this nice gift box in this very distinct yellow-green cover with blue in the design. And inside we've got some product information on this particular knife. And here we have the knife itself. So this is the number 8 black palm tree handle, and it's a unique knife with its anthracite finish and wood from Guyana in South America. Just let you have a look at the handle. Very unique grain, and look at it. There's this leopard spots on the end over here. So the stainless steel blade and the Virobloc rotating collar have this matte anthracite finish, which is like a charcoal finish, but it is coated, so a bit different from the typical knives, because this is a limited edition under the luxury series. So it is stainless steel, but it's got that coating for both the blade and that rotating collar. Now, only 6,250 copies of this knife has been made worldwide. So let's have a look at some of the specs of the knife. So the blade length is 82 mm. By the way, the model number 8 refers to the blade length of around 8 cm. So an Opinel 7 has a 7 cm blade, and an Opinel 9 has a 9 cm blade, and so on and so forth. The closed length is 108 mm, and the total length is 190 mm, and the weight is 58 grams, so quite a light knife. The blade thickness is 1.5 mm, not very thick but very slicey, and it's got this clip point look to it. And as mentioned, the blade treatment is this anthracite black coating. The blade steel itself is Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel. Sandvik 12C27 is manufactured by Sandvik AB, a Swedish company, and this steel is considered a Swedish low-end steel, often compared to the Chinese 8CR13 MOV, but it's still a decent steel for an EDC knife, very easy to maintain. It is a stainless steel that offers excellent wear resistance, corrosion resistance, and high hardness, all the properties that make for a good knife steel. What makes this Opinel unique is really the handle. So as mentioned, this is the black palm wood. So the black palm tree, or patawa, is a black wood with light streaks and black leopard-like spots on the heel. So it is a very unique kind of grain of wood. The Virobloc rotating collar is a very simple mechanism. So it's a mechanical lock that you just turn it so that you can lock the blade in place in its closed position, or you can just rotate that, open it and turn it so that now it's locked in the open position. So this is a standard locking design for all Opinel knives. So in terms of the fit and finish of the lock itself, there is a little bit of blade play, and that's just because of how the cut here is a bit slanted, and you really have the heel of the blade resting against that slanted collar. So there definitely will be some movement, and you definitely can feel it. So left and right is fine, but you do feel that up and down. So that's something to take note of. Now, the basic beechwood stainless steel Opinel number 8 costs around US $19. This particular knife costs US $85. That's 4 times more than the standard version. So what are you paying for? More likely than not, it's the wood, the anthracite black finish, and the fact that this is a limited production run. Now, is it worth it to pay so much for this particular knife? From a collector's point, I think it's fine, but not so much as an EDC. In general, Opinels do make a good EDC for both urban and outdoor use, and there are many people who do EDC it. Personally, an Opinel is not my choice for an EDC, and I definitely would not EDC this version. So this is more of a collector's piece, and I think that just being a limited edition and in terms of how it looks fits well with my small collection. But what do you think of this Opinel number 8 Black Palm limited edition version? Do you think it's worth it, or do you like some of the other limited editions? And I should mention, there are some of the other limited editions which I do like the Chaperon or the Atelier. I think those all look pretty good as well, but you know, for the budget, I just needed one for my collection. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and what do you think of Opinels in general? Do you EDC it? I'd like to know. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Keep it folded, keep it safe.